Hey guys, this is a 2011 VW Jetta 2.0, and I'm going to show you today how you guys can change that blower motor on this car. This applies on. So there we go. Let's get it started. So this cover is being held by two plastic screws. As you can see, I used a flat screwdriver to take them off, and they're held one right here and one right here, and this just covering this bottom here. So I did remove those, and let me just get some light here for you guys. So the blower motor is located right here, right there. And to take this off, what we need to do is we need to hold this plastic holder, push it bottom, push it down a little bit. As you push, start twisting to the left. So, well, first let's remove this harness here. Get it out of the way, and then again, so what you need to do is you need to push this down and then twist. There we go. And then just hold this plastic this way a little bit. And then, yep, so there you go. And then as you come down, you can start twisting this thing to get it out. I don't know, put the phone down a little bit. There you go. So this is the blower motor right there. It's got a harness, and that's what needs to be replaced. Thanks guys for watching.